In this video I will show you how to replace the air conditioning filter on your 2001 to 2007 Toyota Corolla and to disinfect the air ducts of the air conditioner. Let's get started.
You will need the cabin air filter, which is that white box, the square box, and the Toyota spray for disinfecting the air circuits, the air ducts that bring the air inside the cabin. As tools, you will need a box opener, or a box cutter, a small brush to clean the dust that will come out when we remove the old air filter, and obviously a vacuum cleaner.
This is where I recommend you to buy an aftermarket filter, because often the build quality is the same, it does not endanger expensive parts of the engine, and the Toyota air filter can go for almost the triple as an aftermarket filter. An aftermarket filter will often set you back around 12 euros, while the original filter will cost you around 30 euros. So first step, get into the car and remove the glove box from the glove box compartment. Then there should be a flap that covers the filter housing. Remove it. Then carefully remove the old filter. Be careful not to spill the dirt all over the car. Yummy! Use a brush to clean the dirt inside the flap, the grills of the air ducts, and the general area where the old filter is.
Just for the sake of comparison, here is what did not go into my lungs because I had a cabin air filter. Now we just insert the filter into its place.
There should be a couple of arrows showing the direction of the airflow. Make sure that they always point up.
And then we reinsert the flap.
Now we finish the job by reinserting the glove box. Make sure that that cylinder part on the right goes first.
First, there are a couple of holders on this area here. You have to push for them to clamp into place, and then just reinsert the glove box. Really easy. Now, because we want a top-notch service, after replacing the filter, it is very advisable to make a simple disinfection of the air ducts. And to do this, you can buy this spray that Toyota sells at their dealers. It's not really too cheap, but it will last you a long time. It comes with this piece of hose that you can insert into your air ducts to spray the product inside the ducts, which is where the germs usually lie.
Progressively go and pull out the hose to spray all over the duct, but in small amounts each time.
Now, let the foam do its work, wait a little bit, like a minute or two, and then turn on the ventilation. The first thing you notice when you replace the filter, the cabin air filter, is that the amount of air that flows through the ducts is now much bigger. so you have much better airflow. The spray we just put in, it gives a nice soft smell. It's like it's more or less a citrusy smell. Yes, not too strong and will not be unpleasant for most people, I think.